Hello everybody, my name is JBM Travels, the true UK traveller, and welcome to this food review of Domino's Shanklin in Isle of Wight. Yes, so I got a few items which I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I got. So, here are the two main items I got, and I got a dessert and a drink. I've got these which look delicious, absolutely fabulous, with some salt. Then I got a pizza which I made myself, which has chicken and loads of different things on it, which I will tell you what's on it at the end. And I got this, cookies, 4 lovely cookies. So I'm trying the loaded fries, which are beef loaded fries with bacon, onions and tomatoes, which I don't like tomatoes. My actual opinion of these is they need cooking a lot more. And I mean hell of a lot more. They are definitely undercooked. Now time to try the medium pizza, which got sausage, beef, jalapenos, chicken, all on the pizza. That is really good. Now I'm going to try the dessert, which is these cookies. Quite nice. But they're not the best. They're quite hard, but nice and chewy in the middle. They're alright, yeah. They're just so sweet, shall I say? The food from Domino's cost a total of £21.79. Yes. So £1.79 for the drink and £20 for the food. Yes. Do I think it's worth it? Stay tuned to the end to find that out. However, the chips were really undercooked. Yes, a bit too much sauce, and the flavour was disgusting. Yes, once again, disgusting. What else can I add? It was not worth a penny. The chips. Yes, indeed. That is them. Not worth a single penny. 0.5 out of 10. All day long. Yes. Now, the pizza was quite good. Not the best and not the worst. I've had better from Domino's. So yeah, I would give that a 6.5 out of 10. All day long. It was just overpowering with too much spice. I do love spice, but it was too spicy. Yes. And that ruined the pizza for me. It did have a lot of flavour, but it was too thin. The thin crust is just too thin for me. I like a thick crust. However, they did send me the wrong pizza base. It was supposed to be thick. Yes, their fault. Yep. So yeah. Next is the cookie thing. I didn't like it one bit whatsoever. I did at the beginning, but not anymore. No, I did not like it one bit whatsoever. My personal opinion on that is a 3 out of 10. So overall, I will give this a 3.9 out of 10. Reason why? Undercooked, too spicy, and the cookie was hard on the outside and gooey on the inside. In the middle, that is. Yes. So it could have been a lot better, in my opinion, for the price I paid. So would I buy it again from Domino's in Shanklin? No. I would not go to Domino's Shanklin ever again, so I do not recommend it. Yes, stay well away from Domino's in Shanklin is my verdict. Yep. Apart from that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video right after this one. Bye for now. Bye.